Angela here, and today I just finished my workout.
There you go. Smile, for heaven's sake. Yeah.
And I thought to share to you guys my favorite healthy alternative muffins to eat, especially since the holidays are coming around the corner. You know, maybe you're a little bit more health conscious like I am right now. So these are a great alternative to get that baking fix in your system without feeling too guilty. With these muffins, we're gonna be using good old sweet potatoes, especially since it's fall. I felt like this is necessary. There are a ton of pumpkin recipes out there, and I feel like that's overdone. So I thought to share to you guys this sweet potato muffin recipe. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamin K, they're high in fiber, they're naturally sweet, they're delicious, and this recipe is 100% guilt-free. Now, of course, if you eat a lot of it, then feel guilty. But so let's get it, let's go, let's make some delicious sweet potato muffins that you could eat after a good workout. So for these muffins, you will need the following: sweet potatoes, 2 eggs, or you could use an egg replacer, milk substitute of your choice. I'm using oat milk. For the sweetener, I'm using maple syrup, but you could use any type of other sweetener you want or neglect it altogether. To flavor, I am using vanilla extract and some cinnamon. I'll be using some coconut oil, but you could use avocado oil as well as a substitute. Baking soda, some salt, and some whole wheat flour. You have your hot sweet potatoes. It's time to peel off the outer skin. Deja vu to my ube video. If you haven't seen it yet, the card is right above. Video link down below, but we are just going to peel the skin of these sweet potatoes. Now that you've separated the innards from the outer part of the sweet potato, you want to smash it like this. And of course, you don't want to start putting all your other ingredients in here until it's nice and cool. So we're going to cool down this mixture. Sweet potato mixture, it's all cool. Enter the rice paddle. And if you don't know by now, if this is like your first video that you're watching from me, this is literally my favorite tool. Not only for scooping rice, but for mixing baked goods with. So don't judge me. This is my go-to mixer, okay? So now that you have a cool sweet potato mixture, we're gonna add 2 heaping tablespoons of coconut oil. Add our sweetener. In this case, I'm using maple syrup. Cool. Now we're gonna be using half a cup of our Greek. Now we're gonna add our eggs. Then 1/3 cup of our alternative milk. Then we're gonna add our vanilla extract and our cinnamon. I'm gonna load it with cinnamon because I really love that cinnamon flavor. Add some salt to this mix. Now our flour. So it's optional to add seeds and nuts at this point. I am going to add dark chocolate chips. There we go. Thick. And then evenly scoop portions out. All right. Our muffins are done, and they're a little dinky, they're small, I know, but remember, they're healthy. And oh my goodness, they look so moist and delicious. So let's give it a try. They're really easy to eat, and one really satisfies that sweet tooth craving that you have. They're moist, they're nutty, they're sweet, The chocolate adds a little, of course, chocolatey flavor to it. And the sweet potato really does make this dish super moist with the added Greek yogurt. Like, even if you were to overbake these, I'm pretty sure these would still come out super, super moist. I'll link the recipe that I use down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you're interested in more healthy alternative recipes, let me know in the comment box down below. I'll be more than happy to share some more recipes with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like healthy muffins, like me, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.